Hello everyone, this is Helen. Welcome to my channel, Lifestyle Gardener. I just wanted to show you a few things that I noticed in the garden today. Look at my echinacea. The flower is starting to bud. Eventually it's going to open up, maybe by next week. Then I show you guys when it opens up. I'll show you what kind of echinacea. I bought this on sale. This is the name of it right here. It's supposed to come out next year after the winter, but I don't know if it's going to do that in the container. I know when I planted this same kind, a different color, in my garden in Ontario, it came back every year, but I don't know how it's going to do in containers. So I bought it and see if it's going to come back after the winter next year. If it does, I'll show it to you guys next year. Over here, I put like 3 different turmeric root, rind. I think they call it rind or root. I put it in here from the grocery store. It looks like it was dying back, but it looks like it's when I plant it. After 2 weeks, it start to sprout. So once it gets bigger, I'm going to remove them and put them in a bigger container. It's the first time I'm planting it. The garden look like it's starting to look more better and beautifuler. My mint plant that I got from the grocery store is it's getting really bushy. That's a good sign. I'll give you guys a view of my garden. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Me and my husband was saying the other day that it feels like a little cottage garden here. My bok choy, they're starting to get bigger. And my cucumber plants, they sprouted a few days ago. And my runner beans, they're scarlet runner beans. They sprouted, I think, Monday this week. I noticed one thing also, that my potato that I got from the grocery store, I put it in this grow bag. It's looking very beautifully, but it has flower buds. It's going to flower soon. At the same time, my tomato plant is starting to flower too at the same time. They're starting to form flower heads, and some of them are starting to open up. It's good that I planted more plants that I needed. That's a good tip to follow, because sometimes the plants, sometimes the seeds don't sprout, or sometimes they die after you plant them. Like this okra plant in that container there, it died. So I'm going to put something else in there. Maybe I might put the turmeric or my callaloo seedlings in there. I don't know exactly what I'm going to put in there yet. So these are my callaloo seedlings. They're very small. So if they survive, I might put it in there. I might put my turmeric. But as you guys can see, everything is growing nicely. Well, everyone, I hope you all have a good day. I'll see you next time. Bye.